This tutorial guides you through sending bulk SMS messages using the Student Portal. You will learn how to create templates, send messages, and review performance results. Access SMS in the sidebar menu. Scroll down to SMS messages, then click on SMS templates. To add an SMS template, click on Actions and then Add New. Enter your template name, and then you activate Send to List. You select the list that will receive the SMS. And then you add the SMS message. You can use insert tags to add personalized tokens, like first name, last name, or any other available tag. Click the Finish button to complete the template setup. Now that your SMS template is created, click the drop-down arrow to view available actions. And then you click Send Bulk SMS, which will open the page where you can review the message information. In case multiple campuses are configured, choose your campus number. And then you click Send Bulk SMS. A pop-up window will appear, showing you the progress of the sent SMS. Once complete, click Close, and you will be redirected to the performance page for this bulk SMS. If you click back on SMS templates, you can scroll down to the recently sent SMS. And you can click View Details to view the performance your sent SMS. You have successfully sent a bulk SMS using the Student Portal and reviewed its performance.